We want to find the range of values of x for which x squared minus 2x minus 15 is less than 0. Begin with the corresponding quadratic equation. X squared minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. We can solve this by factorizing. Factorizes into two brackets, x and x, minus 5 and plus 3, x squared minus 15, take away 5x plus 3x gives us the minus 2x. So therefore x is equal to 5, or x is equal to minus 3. We want to sketch the inequality, and we can see the coefficient of x squared is a positive number. We know this means the curve is a happy curve. So if we draw some axes, we know that the curve cuts at minus 3 and at 5 and is happy in shape, so it's U-shaped, like so. We want where the curve is less than 0, i.e. where it is below the x-axis. We can identify this from the graph. It's below the axis between minus 3 and 5, and so we can write that x is between minus 3 and 5.